Hello and welcome to this tutorial on parental controls. To offer parents more control over the programming and content their children can access, Parental Controls allows parents to selectively block programming by channel, rating, or content. To enable Parental Controls, press Menu on your remote. Navigate to Settings and press OK on your remote. Now navigate to Preferences and press OK again. Enter your 4-digit PIN and press OK. Under Preferences, navigate the highlight to Parental Control. Press OK on your remote to check the box. Navigate the highlight to Submit and press OK again on your remote. Parental Controls is now enabled. To modify your parental control settings, navigate to Settings on the menu. Arrow over to Users and press OK on your remote. Enter your 4-digit PIN and press OK on your remote. Arrow down to Parental Controls and press OK. Check the controls you want to activate for your family. Let's go through these options now. Movie rating allows you to select the maximum movie rating you will allow, with G being the most child-appropriate content and X to XXX being the most adult content. TV rating allows you to select the maximum rating for TV shows you will allow, with TVY being the most child-appropriate content, up to TVMA, which is the most adult content. Unlock Timeout allows you to select a timer for when the parental controls will unlock again. Block Unrated allows you to restrict all titles that do not have a rating associated with them. These checkboxes below allow you to restrict specific types of content: sex, violence, language, fantasy violence, or suggestive dialogue. Once you have finished your selections, arrow down to Submit and press OK on your remote. Press Exit on your remote control to leave these settings. Once you've enabled parental controls, you can quickly toggle the parental controls to on or off using the Control On/Off button. Press Menu on your remote and navigate the highlight to Settings and over to Control On or Off. To turn it off, press OK on your remote and enter your 4-digit master PIN, which is the primary user's PIN. To toggle parental controls back on, highlight this button again and press OK on your remote.